hello to my literal 13 subscribers. You guys are the realest. Thank you so much for sticking with me and not unsubscribing in the last 3 years, or you probably forgot that you even subscribed to me in the first place, which honestly, love you for it anyway. I am back with another video. I don't know why I did that. It is another video. It's been a good 2.5 years since my last one, I would say, and a lot has changed. I'm on another sabbatical, so that's kind of similar to the first set of videos that I made, but in between, I lived in Dubai, in the UAE for 2 years. I was consulting, loved Dubai, hated my job. No real tea on that, just like it wasn't the right fit for me. But anyway, since leaving Dubai in June 2025, it is currently October 2025, I've just gone on like a personal journey, I would say, not quite of finding myself, but there's still so many things that I want to do, so many places that I want to travel, so many personal aspirations that I have for myself, and I'm super fortunate that I'm able to just focus on those things because I don't really have any other commitments or responsibilities, obligations to anybody else during this time. So I am traveling, and I have been traveling for the past month. I have been to, how many countries so far? I started in England, then I went to Scotland, went to Northern Ireland, and now I'm in Hungary. So I've been to 5 countries so far, and I am still planning to go to Austria next week, a day trip to Bratislava, which is in Slovakia, and I'm going to be ending up in the Czech Republic as my last European destination, and then I'm planning on going to Dubai again to visit friends, and Pakistan to visit family at the end of the trip. So that's what's planned so far. We will see if I continue to travel after that or if I go back to Canada. We'll see, girl. I literally have not planned that far ahead, and I kind of love that I can go with the flow and just see where the wind takes me. So anyway, during this time, I have obviously packed a suitcase. I did break my carry-on only rule because it's colder weather. I wouldn't say quite winter yet, and I just figured that traveling with a small suitcase instead of a carry-on would be easier for me. Honestly, I have taken a really small suitcase, which I can show you in a minute, but I still feel like I would have preferred to take carry-on only. So right now I do have, as I said, my small suitcase and a backpack. I think the backpack is too big, and honestly, I feel like, did I even learn anything from all of my personal propaganda, which was carry-on and backpack only? Apparently not, but I wanted to show you what I packed, and I think I packed sensibly, but I do feel like I've overpacked even with a limited number of clothing items that I've brought. One of the benefits of having checked luggage is that I've been able to take full-size toiletries with me, which, you know, I'm a little bit older. I'm 34 and a half now. So having my like full-size skincare products has actually been an asset, has been really nice. I also have 2 pairs of shoes, so 2 sneakers, which has been really helpful just in case I want to, like, you know, take a break from one. They're pretty much identical, but one of them is a pair of Vessies, which are waterproof, which is great. Unfortunately, they do get dirty super quickly, so like they look busted up, even though I did wash them before I left, but they are washable, which is cool. I'm not planning on washing them anytime soon, but anyway, so I have my pair of Vessies, and I have my other white sneakers, and I have a pair of flip-flops. Flip-flops are always an important thing to bring, which I can get into in more detail when I start going through my wardrobe, but basically that is what I have as my suitcase. That's my reasoning. God, you guys, this is so chaotic. Like, I have serious beef with appliances in Europe because what do you mean? It's gonna take 6 hours to do a load of laundry in your washer/dryer, and I can't pause it at any time? Like, brother, why has it taken me 2 business days to do a load of towels because I want them dry? Like, anyway, I accidentally switched on the exhaust fan in the bathroom when I was trying to get more light, because obviously I don't have a lighting setup, and now it's super loud out there, so I'm like in this dark room speaking to you by basically medieval candlelight. Like, girl, what? oh my God, it's finally off after 5 minutes, even though I switched off the switch like immediately, but whatever. It's also a struggle for me to look at the green light and not at my face. So apologies if my gaze drifts a little bit. Yeah, I'm a professional, obviously. I don't know why I'm doing this. Well, I know why. I'm doing it for the memes. Yeah, I'm doing it for the fact that like, I feel that women can never create too much media. And this moment right now that I find myself in Budapest, having a great time, I just wanted to document that and share it with you guys. And also I feel like maybe I have some words of wisdom repacking, so let's just get into it. If you recall my last video in 2022, I talked about how I create a capsule wardrobe for travel, and that has pretty much stayed the same. So when I was thinking about the activities that I was going to be doing during this Euro trip, it was very much walking, going to museums and whatnot, and maybe a little bit of socializing, which I've done through Time Left, which is great, and I can talk more about that if anybody cares. But yeah, very like low-key casual stuff, no partying, no like need for specialized clothing and gear. I did go to my friend's wedding when I was in London, but I borrowed a dress and shoes from my friends who I was staying with. So even though I did bring like fancier clothes for that, it wasn't like they were so fancy that I could never wear them again. I literally don't know how YouTubers don't get sick of hearing themselves talk when they're making videos. And then, good Lord, I have to edit it too. Like, what? I haven't even shown you the clothes yet. I haven't even shown you the whole point of the video, and I'm sick of myself talking. Hopefully you guys find it interesting. Here it is on the rack. I'm gonna go through it in more detail tomorrow because I'm like, girl, shut up. So it's the next day, and this is my outfit of the day. It's my black cutout skirt with these gold buttons from Zara. It's like, I don't know, 5 years old at this point, but it served me well. I'm wearing thermal tights because it's a little bit chillier today, and this is just a black rib top from H&M. Again, a couple years old, but it's a great basic. Let me show you my cute Airbnb. So this is the bed. Outside is the Central Market Hall of Budapest, which is beautiful. I actually have not even been inside myself, which is a tragedy because I'm literally living next door, but today is the day, we hope. I've also made a reservation at this beautiful cafe, not New York Cafe, but the other one called Parisi Udvar. I will find out how to pronounce that probably when I'm there. And I'm just going to show you a little glimpse of the wardrobe. So I'll get into it in more detail, but basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half pairs of pants. The reason I say half is because this linen pair has also been like my pajama bottom sometimes. So I have 4 pairs of pants plus this skirt that I'm wearing and my other satin skirt. Sorry, the lighting is super inconsistent, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops. And then I have a cardigan that I bought from Primark, which I love, and a sweatshirt as well, which is sometimes a pajama top, depending on if it's cold or not. And then this is my infamous pea coat that I've been wearing literally every day. I'm going to add the little attachment to it so that it can keep me a little bit more warm, and my tie at the back. And I'm going to wear my white, probably not Vessies today because it's not going to rain, at least as far as I know. So that's my wardrobe at a high level. There's a couple of other pieces that I didn't really show you in detail, but a swimsuit and a sports top and a sports bra, which are all useful to have for various different purposes while you're traveling. Anyway, the sun is shining, so I'm gonna go try to make the most of this day. It's almost 2 p.m. I have a reservation at this Paris cafe. Maybe I'll vlog that. Is this even about the clothes anymore, or is it a travel vlog? So this is the ensemble. I'm wearing this hat that I got from Primark, which I have like mixed feelings about because I feel like it doesn't really stick on my head. So let's see how it works today when it's not like super duper cold, and if it doesn't work, then I can just take it off. So yeah, this is the infamous collar hood I've been talking about. So I can just zip that up if if I need to have another layer, but I'm gonna wear a scarf. I don't think it's that cold right now, so anyway, we'll see how it goes.